Yes! That's what I'm talking about. Just beat Diddy Kong Part 2 on Super Nintendo. There's not much more in life for me to accomplish. So, it's about time for me to get rid of my Super Nintendo and N64 games. So, I'm going to sell them. I got N64 games I'm going to sell for $5. And then Super Nintendo games I'm going to sell for $2. Okay? So, what I want us to do is define two variables, write a linear inequality if I want to make at least $20. So, define two variables, write a linear inequality if I want to make at least $20. Then graph it. Okay, so I'm working with my, got a new Samsung phone, came out, a couple years ago. And I switched phone carriers to like a T-Mobile that I'm paying basically for every minute that I call, and then I also pay for every text message. So I've done the math, and I pay 4 cents for every minute that I use the Samsung. It's like Galaxy 7 or something like that. And then I also have to pay a ½ cent for every text. So 4 cents per minute, and then a ½ cent for every text. But here's the deal. Budget-wise, I want to spend no more than $25. At most, $25. So write a linear inequality that explains that situation. Define my two variables, linear inequality, then graph it. My budget's $25. Okay, so I'm at No Frills. Gotta get some groceries. I'm really in the mood for like a strawberry banana smoothie. And so check this out. Look at the little baby bananas. Aren't they cute? So baby bananas are $1.49. That's backwards, but $1.49 per pound. So we'll just call it $1.50, $1.5. And then strawberries are $4. So $4 per pound for strawberries, and then $1.50 for everything in bananas. So I got a maximum of $10. Can't spend more than $10 on this smoothie contraption I'm going to make. So set up a linear inequality. Define two variables for what we just talked about. Set up a linear inequality and graph it. If I max I can spend is $10. So I got my groceries, but I can't cook. So pulling into Mickey D's, get some probably some McNugs and maybe some double cheeseburgers. I got $10 again. Hold on. Got $10.
Try our new premium Southwest Chicken McWrap meal for $5.99. Hi, how may I help you?
How much is a 10-piece nugget? Just the nuggets.
$4.99.
Oh, okay. Okay, so we'll call it $4. Just a sec. I gotta make my choice. So, 10-piece nuggets are $4. And then I also want some double cheeseburgers for sure. So those are going to be my two variables. I for sure want to get a dollar drink. That's for sure. And I can spend at most $10. So define a variable for the 10-piece nugs and the double cheeseburgers. Write an linear inequality that describes the situation right now. Then graph it. Okay.
That was better.
So, get my racquetball on. Doctor says I need at least 150 minutes of exercise per week. So whenever I play racquetball, I get an hour or 60 minutes, and then whenever I lift weights, I get 30 minutes. So let's see if we can define two variables, write out a linear inequality, because I need at least 150 minutes of workout, and then let's model the situation and graph it and do all that stuff. Thanks.